This is the Mystery Ranch Metcalf. It comes in at 4,335 cubic inches and it weighs 6 pounds. Retails about 550 bucks. This is what I would consider their best all-around pack in terms of space. Let's check it out real quick. First thing I notice, something I really appreciate in every backpack that I own, no matter how small, I want some sort of lid. This one has a double zipper lid. Plenty of space, the zippers are ample size. It is a little wide, and these lids do tend to sag a bit on the Mystery Ranch packs if you're not fully loading the bag itself, but it looks a little funny. It's not really a problem when you're carrying it. Moving to the inside, this is a pretty bare bones pack. We've got a side zipper with just, this is internal access. This isn't a side pocket, just access to the inside. You've got clips right here so you can cinch up your main shelf separately from the lid, which I definitely like. And then you're looking at kind of a drawstring top, but inside the bag, it's kind of hard to show you, but there are no pockets, no mesh pockets, no side pockets like the Sawtooth had. You've only got your water bladder pouch. So I'm going to see how all of these items fit inside this pack, see what we can do. All right, looks like my mic died over here talking too much, but we're on the Marshall. Got it fully loaded, as you can see. There's still some space in it. We don't need to throw the sleeping bag on top anymore. We actually don't even need to throw the tent on the outside. Go ahead, take off the tripod first, and then we're actually going to disconnect the lid just so I can show you what I've got in there. I appreciate a fully disconnecting lid always. In this pocket, we got all my smaller knickknacks, in-reach headlamp, wipes, spoon, knife, fire starter, lighter, chapstick, and Leatherman. And this one we went with snacks and a spare knife. So that's it for the lid. I'll put this aside. Now I was actually able to get the water bottle on the outside. I still don't think that's ideal. Putting it back in is tough. Like I said, definitely something that carries it on the hip will be a better option. But that'll get you there. Moving into the pack. We'll talk about this side access zipper first, because I think it's useful, but I don't know if personally I would use it that often. You can get to a couple things, but you can't get to it, you know, it's not a great access point. It's like if you had something quick, maybe if you had a bag hanging off of the side here that you wanted to get quick access to, then it'd be great. But other than that, it's kind of a, I don't know, it's not super useful in my opinion, unless you set the pack up to use it. The rest of it was all just piled in there because there is no internal storage in this bag. Some people love that, some people hate it. I personally prefer some mesh pockets. I think they're very low cost in terms of weight and space, and they definitely make a big difference. Something you should definitely note though about this pack over the Sawtooth, if you're on the fence between the smaller one or the bigger one, I would absolutely use this one for a multi-day backpacking trip. The Sawtooth 45, it's right on the fence. You're gonna have to kind of fudge some lines if you're gonna be getting more than, you know, even just one night out of it. Having a sleeping bag that takes up half the pack it's not ideal. But this one, having a sleeping bag, a tent, all your goodies in there, it was no problem. Okay, that's it for the Metcalf. Like I said, it's a great kind of in-between size, but it's not good on organization if you are looking for a pack that has organization inside. That's it on this pack. I've got a full video that runs through the entire lineup of Mystery Ranch products. That video is in the card above or the end screen right here. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you want more, and thanks for watching.